Hey y'all, what's up? It's me with another video. Today I'll be cooking again. As you can see, it's getting nice and toasty for us. I am gonna take a shot. Shout out to my friend for leaving this. Yeah, I already turned it on, so it's already heating up and stuff. I don't really like this. Maybe I should add, no, too late. Should add some of that sweet stuff to it. Well, here you go. Oh, I don't like that one. Oh. Oh, okay. So today I'm gonna be doing steak. I'm gonna do a T-bone steak, and that's pretty much all I'm gonna do on here. Cause I really didn't feel like doing any other sides, and I didn't know what else I could put on here to go with the steak. So I'm just gonna do steak. So I already washed and cleaned it. I already cleaned my steak. Okay. So I'm gonna put that on there. Uh-oh, I lied, y'all. I'm gonna put it on there since I already did it. I'm gonna turn it down. I need butter. You need butter. You need butter. Okay. And I'm gonna just season it real quick before I flip it and season the other side. So I got some adobo. Some seasoned salt. Some garlic salt. Just a little bit of garlic salt. Some onion powder. Some of this. Yeah, I don't play with the seasons. I season my food up. And then I'm going to just throw, because I love teriyaki, so I'm going to just throw a little bit of teriyaki on there. Hopefully that don't come this way, which it looks like that's what it's going to do. Hopefully that's okay. Okay, and I'm about to flip it real quick before it start to cook, because I want to, because I want to season that side. And I ain't bring no, nothing to flip it with, my crazy self. So, I'm going to go ahead and season this side real quick. It started cooking. And maybe I should turn that back up a little bit. Y'all, the cutest thing happened. My nephew told me I inspired him from my videos. Like, what? Now, if that ain't the cutest thing I ever heard in my life, and he wants me to help him jumpstart his YouTube. If that didn't make me smile the biggest, like, that is just, that's so cute. I love my babies, y'all. I love my babies. I don't have none myself, but my nieces and my nephews, that's it. That's all I need. And they love me. They love them some TT Kira or some Cuz. Yeah, so yeah, I like a lot of teriyaki on there. A lot of flavor. And I'm just mad that all my juices is going down in here. Like, I want my juices on a steak. Okay, I don't like mine well done. but I do like it medium well. Well, I guess I do like it well done, but I prefer it medium well. I don't like no rare steak. I used to like medium rare, but that was just too much blood for me. I'd rather stick to where it's just like a little bit of pink in there. Y'all, this stuff smells so good already. I don't know about y'all, but I be doing my thing. Okay, so today I did, I found my tablet, so I'm going to do some would you rather questions while this is cooking. And while I'm burning up. Okay, so the first question is, wait, where it goes? What happened? Hold on, y'all. Technical difficulties. I'm mad at that. Okay, so the first question is, would you rather be in jail for a year or lose a year off your life? What would you choose? I think I would rather be in jail for a year, because then in jail you got time to think, you know what I'm saying? You got time to get yourself back on track. Like, it's, you know, it's time. At least you got time, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to lose no hour, no minute, none of that, no second off my life. I don't want none of that. So I'm going to go ahead and go with jail for a year. What would you rather? Okay? And this is the second question is, would you rather always be 10 minutes late or always be 20 minutes early? Okay, and since this one is like pretty much pertaining my life, I'm going to go with always be 10 minutes late rather than 20 minutes early, because I don't like to sit and wait, and I'm always late everywhere I go. I mean, I don't try to be late everywhere I go, but that's just what it is, you know, and I'd rather be, or do I rather be early? Try something different with my life. I don't know. What would you rather? Would you rather be 10 minutes late every day to wherever you going, or 20 minutes early? Maybe I'll choose 20 minutes early, because I can miss a lot of opportunities by being late. But I'm already always late. So I don't know. 20 minutes early, I guess. I'm going with 20 minutes early. Okay. The other one is, would you rather have one real get out of jail free card or a key that opens any door? First of all, I'm going with a key that opens any door, because I don't plan on being in jail no time in my life. I never been there, never want to go there. That's nothing I aspire to do or to be a part of. So I'm going to go with open. Who wouldn't go with that? Oh, I guess people in jail right now would go with, they would rather have, you know, one real get out of jail free card. But I'm going with a key that opens any door, because I'm in here. Who try to keep me out? I'm in here. What? And what? Alright, hold on. Let me flip my meat. I don't want to stab it too hard, because I don't need this. Why wouldn't I bring something to help me flip this? I'm crazy. That's all. That's all it could be. Ooh, it smells so good, y'all. Okay. What happened? Okay. Would you rather be married to a 10 with a bad personality or a 6 with an amazing personality? Is that really a question? A 6 with an amazing personality? Is that a question? like, I feel like your personality makes you like 10. If you have a good personality, it makes you 10 times more attractive. You know, along with smelling good. You gotta smell good. Yeah, that's a no-brainer. Like, or would you rather have a 10 with no personality? You just be able to look at them and you can't even talk to them and laugh with them, or would you rather have somebody who is a little bit above average and got a personality who gonna make you laugh and I can't be with somebody who just fine to be fine. Like, okay, what else you got? Okay, would you rather be able to talk to land animals, animals that fly, or animals that live under the water? I really don't have a preference because I really don't see myself talking to no animals because I'm scared of them. I'm scared, like, so I don't understand. I don't understand this question. This question is not for me. It's not pertaining to my life. But what would you rather? Would you rather talk to animals that laugh? Would you rather talk to animals that are on land, that fly, or that live in the water? You know what I'm saying? I don't care. I ain't talking to none of them. None of them. I'm running from them. Okay. Would you rather give up all drinks except for water, or give up eating anything that was cooked in the oven? Okay, well, I'm drinking water. I'm only drinking water. That's it. That's it for me. Because I like to eat, and I can't imagine myself putting myself in a corner, with what I eat. I'm not limiting myself. Limitless over here. Okay, let me check on to see what it's doing. Because it's smelling real good. I'm going to show y'all this little piece over here. Because I might eat it. No, it's a little bit too red for me. Put that back on there. But it smells good. Okay. I actually kind of like this. But I keep exiting out of it. Like, what in the world? Do you not want to know what the people would rather? Ooh, it's so hot. I'm going to take another shot, y'all. I'm just trying to get a cute picture because it always just snap whenever it want to snap. And I be looking crazy trying to tell y'all to share my page and stuff. And I be looking crazy. Cheers. Woo. Okay. Ugh. That crap nasty. Okay. So would you rather be able to see 10 minutes into your own future or 10 minutes into the future of anyone but yourself? That's a good one. But I'm going to go with myself, obviously. Like, no, I don't know. Actually, I don't know. Oh, I probably would go into somebody else. Like, somebody who going to hit the lotto or something. I would see, like, what numbers they got or something, and I would do it before them. So, yeah, I would do it. I would do it for other people. Because I'm getting everything y'all would have got. Okay, so this is getting done. Yes. Okay. I'm going to turn this off because it'll still cook while it's off. It'll still finish cooking because it's done. I don't put steak sauce on my steak because I season it well enough. I don't need that. But it is hot, y'all. It is hot in here. This thing is making me so hot. Mmm. Mmm. It's hot and good, y'all. Hot and ready. Damn. I mean, dang, I done got stuff on my pants already. Yeah, that's pretty good. If I do say so myself. And I always do say so myself. I usually put like onions and mushrooms, but that's when I eat it with rice and other stuff. I just didn't. I should have had me a whole meal. Let me see this side over here. Ooh, shit. Y'all, sorry. Sorry, Mom. I like the fat too. I like the fat of the steak. A lot of people don't like it, but I do. It's like, well, all the flavor at. Okay. Would you rather be forced to dance every time you heard music or be forced to sing along to any music you heard? I'm going with dancing because first of all, I can twerk to anything. I could twerk to anything. I'm gonna go with dancing. I can't sing at all, so that's very easy for me. If I could sing, I would sing anything. I would sing all the time. People would get tired of me. Okay, so I want to get into this steak, but I don't want to this side over here a little iffy. I don't want to have the whole thing sitting in my lap. Y'all, when I tell you this steak is good, Huh, you want some? You want some? Look, and it's dripping. Oh, and it's dripping, y'all. Look at that. Oh, drip. Nice and tender. I ain't struggling with it. Okay. Would you rather see what was behind every closed door or be able to guess the combination of every safe on the first try? Well, I guess I'm gonna be a super thief because, yeah. I mean, yeah, I'm going with, I really don't care what y'all got going on behind closed doors. I really don't care. But to be able to get every combination of every safe on the first try, oh yeah. I'm getting pink gloves, I'm getting red gloves, black gloves. Boy, I'm going on a robbing spree. Trust me when I tell you. Sorry, I'm not a thief, but if you're gonna give me the gifts to be a thief, I might as well be a thief. Boy, that'll be something. What would you rather? Would you rather be a super snoop or a super thief? I'm going with super thief. I ain't trying to be nosy all my life, but I will get rich on y'all. On your dime. That sounds bad, but hey, it's the truth. Okay. Would you rather have unlimited international first class tickets or never have to pay for food at restaurants? What do you think I'm going with? What would you think I would go with? I want to know how many people know me. I didn't even want, yeah, I'm gonna answer it, but I want to know how many people know me. What would you say? I'm getting first class international first class tickets, unlimited, or never having to pay for food at restaurants. I do like to travel and everything, but I like to eat more. So I'm going with I never have to pay for food at restaurants. When I tell you I would be big as a whale, big as a house, that's the truth. I'm already getting there, and I gotta pay for food. So if you can only imagine, I'd be on TV 800 pounds talking about I don't know how it got to this point. But what? Okay. Would you rather be an unimportant character in the last movie you saw or an unimportant character in the last book you read? I'm kind of shy a little bit, so I don't know about the acting, but the last movie I saw, I would want to be a part of it, and that's the Avengers. That's the last movie I saw. I would love to be a part of that. Put me in there. I'll be, I don't know, whatever you want to put me. Whatever you want to make me. Wind girl. Just, whatever. Rock girl. I don't care. I don't care. Just make it happen for me, y'all. You hear this, Marvel? Make it happen for me. Ooh, don't do it to me. I brought my chopsticks in here too, just in case. So I want to get fancy a little bit. Who eats steak with chopsticks? And that bit dripping. Ooh. Now you don't want to drip? Really? Cause I see it on. Would you rather be completely insane and know that you are insane, or completely insane and believe you are sane? I think I would rather be completely insane and believe I'm sane, rather than be completely insane and know I'm not sane. That way I know everybody judging me and everybody thinking of, nah, I'd rather think I'm sane and just be crazy. I mean, I know you shouldn't care about what people think like that, but I'd rather be in my own mind, happy and peaceful, rather than being like, oh my gosh, people talking about me, people, nah, bump it. And that's probably how I am in the first place anyway, you know. That's probably already my life. Oh, for real. I got some water here. Look, you know it's hot when the water's sweating. We all in here sweating. So this is more like medium than medium. No, it's probably like medium well. I don't know. It's between medium well and medium because it's not red at all, and I don't want no red. I don't know how y'all be eating y'all steak and it still be bloody. Like, might as well just go bite the cow. You know what I want to know? Why do we drink milk from a cow? Like, why? We're human. Like, I don't understand. I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking too deep into it. Like, does a cow really have all the nutrients that we need? But you know, I rather drink cow milk than drink people's titty milk any day, any day. So okay, and then would they have a farm of people pumping and stuff? Like, I don't know. But yeah, I'd rather drink cow milk. Never mind. I'm tripping, y'all. Is it better when I eat it with the chopsticks, or y'all like it when I do it with them? See, I want to get a cute picture, like, for once. Can I please get a picture where I'm not in mid-laugh or in mid-talk or something? YouTube, please. Please. Can you do that for me? I even be posing. You still don't care. Okay. So these questions is a little bit long. So I'm trying to find other ones. Would you rather your only mode of transportation be a donkey or a giraffe? First of all, I'm going with giraffe. Because I'm going to be looking over everybody. Be feeling, you know, mighty high. Donkeys, I don't know. Ain't they stubborn? They might not want to move for me or... An ass riding on the ass. Okay. Damn, it's 30 minutes already. I'm gonna try to finish this up because I know everybody ain't gonna be trying to sit here through the whole thing. Well, I'm trying to read questions and eat. This is what I got left. This piece right here. I'm about to tear it up. Maybe not the whole thing on camera because I don't want to have the video be too long. But I did cook it, so hopefully I understand. Uh-oh. I learned how to eat with a fork and a knife in elementary in Miss Sapp class. She taught us etiquette, or tried to. Shout out to you. When I tell y'all I be seasoning, I be seasoning. Y'all try it. Try it the way I made it. And tell me how y'all like it. I mean, I know I didn't give out any measurements or anything, but I gave y'all the seasonings that I used. Try it. And tell me I was wrong. Oh shoot. I had some imitation crab meat that I want to put on him. Dang. I'm mad at that. I just looked down and it's sitting there looking right at me. Get off that bone. Thank you. Get off. Ooh, it kind of like a heart. Oh, shoot. When I tell y'all the teriyaki sauce, like, it take it to a whole nother level. That's the truth. What am I doing? Whatever. Whatever. Go with it. Go with it, y'all. This is how you know you mastered the chopsticks, when you can do all that. Okay, so I got one more piece. And I'm out. I'm gonna eat this later. I like to suck on the bone. All that. Oh, that look crazy. Dang, dropping stuff. So I guess it is a little. It's medium. It's medium. Thank you for watching.